Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Big Cheese Farm. So on today's video, we'll be talking about how to know when your catfish is ready for sale. Many farmers lose money because some sell too early while some sell too late. But after this video, you will know when exactly to sell, when to harvest your fish and make more profit, add more money to your pocket. So let's dive in. Add why time matters in catfish farming. Time is everything in catfish farming, because if you sell too early, your fish may not reach the market size, which means less money in your pocket. But if you wait too long also, you will spend more on feed and your fish may be too big for some certain customers. So you need to do a market survey to know the kind of size of fish they need in your environment. So how do you know when to harvest your fish? Let's break it down. Signs to know that your catfish is ready for sale. Number 1, size and weight. Most buyers want fish from 1 kg to 1.2 kg to 1.5 kg. Some even demand for 2 kg and above. That's why you need to do a market survey. You need to walk up to the market women in your environment and ask them, please, what are the size of fish you people need, so you know what to produce. Then you go into your pond at random, you pick like 5 to 10 pieces, or you can even do more, 10 to 20, and scale them to check if they fall within this range. So if they fall within this range, that's to show you that your fish are ready. Number 2, age. With good feeding and good water management, you can eat 1 kg in 3 months and 2 weeks. But that does not mean that all your catfish should be at 1 kg. At least 30% to 40% of them can be within this range. Why all catfish get to their market size at 4 months to 6 months. At this stage, 80 to 90% of your fish will be at 1 kg and above. Number 3, body structure. A mature catfish, we have a round, thick body with a strong tail and a broad head. So if your fish look too slim, then you will need more time, or check your feed quality. That is why we always advise use a foreign feed when they are juvenile, while at their 3 months upward, use a Nigeria made feed. Number 4, feeding behavior. If your fish are not rushing feed like they always do before, it could be a sign they are approaching their maturity stage. Number 5, buyer specification. Always know what your market demand. Some buyers want 800 grams, some 1.2 kg or above. So knowing this will help you prepare better and avoid losses. How to confirm before you sell? Before you decide to harvest, pick 5 to 10 fishes and weigh them. Then you calculate the average weight. If they meet the market demand, then you are good to go. Then you check the cost of feeding, the age of the fish, and the current market price. If the profit margin looks good, then what are you waiting for? It's time to sell. These are a few tips to make your harvest smooth. Number 1, stop feeding 24 hours before harvest so that you can reduce your water waste. Number 2, arrange transportation and sorting equipment on time. Number 3, make sure you communicate with your buyers early and plan their delivery. These few steps can save you stress and improve your reputation. So that's it. That's how to know when your catfish is ready for sale. If this video helps you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more farming tips. On my next video, I'll be talking about good water management. So until then, keep farming smart and stay blessed. Bye.